I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam Weiss back. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing how to make your highlight pop like an Instagram baddie. I just think this is so funny, like Instagram baddie. I don't know, I just like the name of it. So that's what I'm gonna call this video. And in order to do that, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite palettes that I have. I have a couple of them, and these are just highlighting palettes that literally have worked amazing for me. I usually get people always ask me, oh, what highlight do you use? Or they'll comment about how like poppin' the highlight looks. So obviously I'm not lying, like this is really gonna make your highlight pop. So if you want to see what I do, what I use to make that happen, then just keep watching. So I don't have too many favorites right now. I'm sure there are a lot more out there, but these do work amazing and I do love them very much. So I don't really need to go out and get any more right now because these are pretty new still. So yeah, I'm just gonna share with you what I use. Here it is, the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit palette. These shades are literally so fun. If you're someone that doesn't like to play around with highlighting shades, then I don't recommend this palette for you. They do have like another one that has more, I guess like natural highlighting colors, but I really love to plan my highlight around what I'm wearing. So usually if I'm wearing blue, I'm gonna wear blue. If I'm wearing purple, I'm wearing purple highlight. I don't know, I just like to match it with what I'm wearing. And this I do on an everyday basis, so judge me, I don't care. Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. This is limited edition, so I do recommend going out and getting it before it is gone. And this was literally like the best buy I could have gotten with my gift card that I had, because you can't see that. Yeah, this is pink, this one's white, and this one is like orangey, goldish. But these are honestly so shimmery and pigmented that when I put this on, literally it's so amazing. So I definitely recommend this one too. So those were 3 palettes that I get the most compliments on when I wear them. So I highly recommend to go get those palettes. Those are honestly very, very pigmented, and you will definitely be able to see your highlight if you use those palettes. Yeah, I definitely recommend getting those palettes if you are big on highlighting. But for some of you that aren't as big on highlighting and you guys just want to, you know, highlight for the day, you're sitting at home, you kind of want to just, you know, make your highlight pop, and you don't want to go out and buy that expensive product of highlight that's going to be like $50, okay? I got you. What you're going to do So this tip that I'm going to share with you guys is something that you can use on top of, you know, already having really pigmented palettes. If you want to go even more to the extreme of your Instagram baddie self, then you can also do this tip, as well as you don't even need an actual highlight to do this tip. So if you have an eyeshadow palette or any eyeshadow that you want to use, I recommend using one that is a normal natural shade. Don't really use, I mean, you can use like a sparkly blue or whatever, but I'm telling you that shit is gonna be crazy. But yeah, if you want to just try and find an eyeshadow that you have that's very shimmery, first off, make sure it's shimmery. So I have this one right here from the Masquerade palette. Another one that I use is from the Nubian 2. I like use this one so much it hit pan, but this one, so anything just kind of like around the natural shimmery side. So I'm gonna go ahead and recommend 2 brushes for you guys. These aren't the only 2 that you can use, obviously, but these are the ones that I prefer to use. This one is the one that I've literally used since the day I got it, and I can't stop using it. It's amazing. It's the Morphe M501. And it's like a tapered highlight. I don't know, it's just perfect for putting on your highlight. And then this one I got in an Ipsy bag. It's by Ipsy, and it's called B36 Tapered Highlight. Hey, it matches my nails. That's goals. Have your nail polish match your eyeshadow brushes. This isn't even eyeshadow brush, highlight brushes. Any brush like that is honestly gonna give you like your best highlight shape. I've tried like the fan brushes like this, and I don't know, a lot of people, like I've seen a lot of people use it and they honestly can make it look so good with it, but when I use it, it just looks like a straight, like skinny line, and I don't know, I just can't really use it or work with it. So yeah, I prefer the other two brushes. So what you're gonna do to make your highlight stand out like crazy, whether it's an eyeshadow or you actually use your highlighting palette, you want to get a setting spray or a mist, you know, something wet. This is the MAC Fix Plus, the Prep and Prime. And I'm just going to be using this to wet my brush. And when you wet your brush and you apply the product onto it and then onto your face, it just stands out so much more than without, you know, wetting your brush. So you can honestly wet your brush with water. I wouldn't recommend like soaking it, maybe just like a little wetness will do. Yeah, I just think like if you have like a spray, it's gonna be like your best bet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you on one side with the eyeshadow and then on the other side with an actual highlight. First, I like to just start out by applying it with nothing on the brush first, so a dry brush. So I'm gonna do the eyeshadow side first so you guys can see that this is really possible. But like, see, look at that. And you can just keep adding more and more. But yeah, so that's what I like to do first, and then I will go ahead and add some water now. So I'll just like spray it and then dip it back into the highlight, and then put it on like and then you can like repeat this process if you really want to, but it'll keep getting even more like pigmented. But look at that. Like, I truly honestly feel that eyeshadows work better than actual highlights because eyeshadows are meant to be pigmented, so when you put these on, like, it really does show. Like, look at that. I'm gonna start using eyeshadows from now on. I don't know why I stopped because I could do this all day. So this is what it's like on my lowest dimmed lighting. It's still super, super blinding. So yeah, I definitely recommend this tip. Hang on, let me brighten you guys up real quick. Yeah, I definitely recommend this tip for you guys that don't want to go out and spend all that money on a highlight. You can go ahead and use your eyeshadow. Woo. Honestly, I would swatch this one for you guys on my face, but I did this already in another video. I actually like did a review on this, so I'll link that down below if you want to see like me swatch these. And then also I'm wearing like the pink one in the video, and you can like see how blinding it is in the video. I'm pretty sure I like even put it on. I don't know, I'll just have that video linked down below. This video I'm gonna use the Aurora palette so that way you can see a different color. I'll do the blue because extra. So I'm gonna start out, like I said, by just using my dry. Look at all that product, like look how blue that is. I'm gonna start out with a dry brush. So look how pretty that is. Like, I know a lot of you would be like, oh my god, like why is she wearing blue highlighter? But it honestly looks so good. I feel like a mermaid when I wear this, and in person it's even more blue like than what you can see on the camera right now. Let's just keep going. Alright, so now you can see it's super, super, super blue. And then I'm going to spray the brush. And then go back in.
Oh my god.
Honestly, like, I would not wear this blue out this pigmented because it's so pigmented on my face right now. It just looks like a streak of blue. But this would look so good if it was an actual normal color. I would definitely wear this out. But right now, this is just so pigmented and blue. Like, it's crazy. And then I'll spray my face and then go back in one more time. I don't think you need to, but so might I just say I do not do this, okay, every day or at all. I don't do this like dramatic and go out like this. But the title of this video is to be an Instagram baddie. So on camera, this honestly looks like your highlight is popping and you could go out like this and, you know, blind them haters, really. I could fly away with this highlight, all right? You can't get any more pigmented than that. Like, I mean, you could, but it would just be too much. So I'm gonna stop there. But here are the two So yeah. So yeah, this is how you can make your Instagram pictures pop by having some pop-in highlight. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos like this, and also comment and let me know if this video helped you and if my tips worked out for you guys too, because I know it is working for me right now. Like, I'm ready to take an Instagram picture right now. And might I just add, if you want to see how I got this makeup tutorial right here, I'll have that video linked down below as well. Instagram baddie out.